daughter of light, beautiful goddess from Ishizu kingdom, fear not, for I have not come to harm you, but I have come to direct your path on the way of destiny, through which the prophecies of your fathers will be fulfilled. Fear not, rather prepare yourself for the journey of destiny that lies ahead of you. I will always be with you. I am Ozu, the keeper of the rain. Now the journey of destiny has just begun. Ajuko. Why are you still sleeping? Stand up. Stand up, Gam. There is no a drop of water in this house. I've been sleeping all day. Stand up, go and pick your pot and go down to the stream.
All right. At least let me take my mat inside. No, I'm going.
I want to make it snappy.
What can make my fearless queen stand there all alone, lost in so much thoughts?
I know my father told you I'm here.
You're right, my love. I went to your house and then Nam told me you went to the stream.
But you should have waited for me to return.
That's impossible. What will I be discussing with Nam when you, my queen, is not there? My queen, the most beautiful goddess in the whole of Isizu kingdom. My most precious treasure and jewel. That's not possible, please. By the way, what are you doing? You're not fetching water. Why are you standing, thinking? What could be bothering my queen that she can't disclose to her king?
My king, my father woke me up from sleep to come fetch water for him. Because of that, I couldn't get enough sleep. I'm just weak and tired.
You know, if not that he's your father, I would have given him serious warning never to wake you up from sleep again.
My king.
By the way, let me help you, okay?
Okay,
Hold
thank
this.
you.
I'll be back.
All right.
And you better be smiling, because I'll be watching you from here. I need to be watching you smile. Oh!
Easy.
Did you see that?
Easy.
All right.
Let me help you.
No, it's fine. Put it on my head. It's time to go home.
Okay. Thank you.
Hold me. My queen. My love.
Yes.
Your face is still not bright.
My love, everything is fine. Just that I have a little headache.
Just a little headache.
Yes.
I'm sorry about that, okay? You're going to be fine.
Sure.
Be fine, let's go.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Be careful.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Nam. Good day.
You're welcome.
Let me help you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nam.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Nam.
You're welcome.
Nam, I really want to thank you for making me part of your household. Ojugo, your daughter, is my greatest treasure. And I promise you that I'll take care of her.
You don't need to thank me, because Ojugo, my daughter, loves you too.
Nai, thank you. Thank you so much. Let me go and be with her.
Go on, guys, enjoy it. Enjoy yourself. Hey. Yes, sir. Hey.
Come catch me. My love,
Yes, my queen.
were you supposed to catch me?
Yes, because I love to see you smile. I love it when you laugh out loud each time I catch you.
My king,
Yes, my love.
I want you to know that I love you so much.
I know. You keep saying that. In fact, you say it like 1,000 times every day. That's because I love to hear you say that.
Well, I want it to sink into your head.
And it's in my head. Should we do it again?
No.
Let's do it again. This time I'm going to catch you. All right?
Okay.
Now close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm coming. What is it?
Are you not hearing the sound? The sound, are you not hearing it?
What sound? I can't hear any sound. I can't hear any sound. Nam, what exactly is wrong with her? I mean, from the way she ran off as if something was after her life.
Calm down. Calm down. She'll be okay. Calm down.
Are you sure?
Calm down.
Nam, can't you see she's not even moving her body?
Calm down. By tomorrow morning, she'll wake up. She'll be okay. You can go home. She'll be okay. By tomorrow morning, she'll be okay. Calm down. Go home. Go home.
It's okay. Good night.
Night, my son. Our ancestors. It is not yet time. Please, give her more time. Let her be. Let her be.
Vincent, I've not wronged anyone. Why are you after me?
Daughter of light, fear not, for I have not come to harm you. Like you said, you are innocent and have wronged no one. I have to come to you now because it's time for you to fulfill your destiny and save your land from the impending danger looming.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I know this will be difficult for you to comprehend, but with time, you will understand. Come with me.
Huh? I should come with you?
Come with me. Come with me. Many centuries ago, this land was one of the poorest in the entire kingdom. So much debt, tribulations, and destructions in the land. So the elders came together and invited Onyekwere, the supreme God of abundance. They made many promises to him. If he can prosper their land and take away debt. And so, this covenant held for so many centuries until humans stopped keeping their own side of the bargain. Now Onyekwere is angry and he seeks for revenge. But as keepers of the realm, it is our responsibility to prevent war or evil, either in the spiritual or in the mortal realm.
Are you saying that Onyekwere wants to visit our land with death?
Yes, you are correct. But that will only happen if you allow it.
How do I prevent it?
That will be a lesson for another day. But for now, you must go. You have overstayed. Come with me.
Huh?
Come. Run along. I will come to you soon. Go.
Nam, how are you? How are you feeling today?
I'm fine now. I'm better.
Then,
How long have I been away?
since yesterday, Since yesterday.
What about Ejike?
He was here yesterday. He was here. He was here, and I told him to go back and come back later. What is he saying?
Who?
Ozu, the rainkeeper.
Nam.
And daughter, I know you'll be shocked to hear me talk about Ozu.
Nam. How did you get to know that name?
My father told me about him when he was alive. He said, whenever he comes for you, I should not stop him.
Why? Nam, what does he want from me?
Don't worry. Go inside and rest. When the time is right, I will tell you everything.
Goals of our land. Your offspring is trying so hard to fathom what this whole thing is all about. Please, speak to me. Speak to me in a language that I will understand. Please. Take this burden off my shoulder, for I cannot carry it. Please. What do I do?
My angel.
Obim, I'm so sorry I haven't come to see you.
Don't say that. I should be the one apologizing to you for listening to your father. He asked me to leave, that he will send for me whenever you wake. Honestly, I've not been myself.
I know. And that is why I have come.
My love, how are you feeling now? What really happened?
Nothing, you worry too much. I'm fine. It's just a minor headache. That was all.
You're fine now, right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, well, thanks to the gods. Come here. You got me worried.
I know you miss me. Wise one! Wise one! Where are you? I am here now. Wise one, where are you? Wise one, I am here now. Please come to me. Wise one, where are you? Come and speak to me. Come and speak to me in a language that I will understand.
Ejike, what are you saying about what I have been telling you? You know I love you so much. You are the man of my dream. Ejike, do I not have what you need in a woman? You should know that I love you, Ejike.
Oloma,
Yes.
you're a beautiful and intelligent woman. In fact, you're the kind of woman every man would want to settle down with. But my heart belongs to someone else, and you know it. My heart belongs to Ujugo. She is the only woman I can be with in this whole kingdom.
Ejike, why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry.
Why? Am I not woman enough for you? Why are you breaking my heart, Ejike? Why are you doing this to me? Can't you see that I love you? What is your problem? Can't you see it?
I'm sorry. I'm
Ego. Ego, please. I love him. Can't you see it all over me? I love him so much. Please. Help me talk to him. The way he's treating me, is it fair? Please.
My friend, I understand your pain. But he has already told you that he's in love with someone else. His heart belongs to someone else. Come on, I'm your friend. I won't lie to you. You can only force a horse to the river, but you can't force the horse to drink water. I won't advise you to force yourself on him. Okay?
I don't believe that. I don't believe that, Ego. See, he's your cousin brother. He listens to you. Please, help me talk to him. I need him. If you want me to need him, I will.
No, you don't have to.
I love him.
My friend.
Yes.
Okay, wipe your tears. I'm not promising you anything, but I'm going to try. Okay? Can you stop crying now?
Yes.
Clean your tears.
There is hope.
You're welcome. Just wipe your tears. Let's go.
You seek my presence. I am here. Speak.
Wise one, I am confused. My father said his father told him about you. And he told him never to stop you anytime you come for me. Wise one, my question is, why are you coming for me? Please, tell me.
I believe the time is right. If you seek for answers, answers you shall get. Come with me.
Wait, what's your problem? You don't allow me to...
Ow! You're hitting me hard.
I am passing through a lot.
Sorry.
I'm passing through a
I'm
lot.
going to fetch water.
Oh,
Do you have
I'm
water in your
passing
hot?
through a lot. I'm passing through. Oh, Olumma, my love. Olumma, my heartbeat. Olumma. Oh, then because I found you. Bitte come. Olumma. Where have you been? All the while I've been looking for you all over the community. I'm looking for you in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. I've not found you. Olumma, I've looked for you in your house, looked for you in all the streams in this village. I've looked for you under everywhere in this village. I've not found you. Now I've found you. Olumma, what are you saying about my proposal? About the love I'm giving to you?
Will you shut up your mouth? You stupid boy. Does she look like your mate?
I wasn't talking to you. Can you just shift? Let me concentrate on the love of my life. Yeah? Little squirrel that matters.
Am I the one you're talking to?
So, my love, let us abandon her. Let us abandon her so that she will remain in her menopause state. You know, in all this village, no man is coming her way. Very soon now she's going to graduate into becoming a menopause. Menopause! So, my love, are you still interested in the proposal state? Because I am tired of asking and asking and asking. Just accept me.
Am I the one you're talking to?
No, I'm talking to menopause. Very soon, all the men in this community will marry all the women, you will remain single. For the rest of your life, become an old woman, become a grandma. You are a grandma. You are pounding me. Pound him.
Pound him. Pound him. Pound him. Pound him.
The love of my life. My wife.
Kill him.
My tears is all I see. My heart, I can't imagine. I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will have me? I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will have me? My death is all I see. My heart, I can't imagine. I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will have me? I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will have me? My tears is all I see. My heart, I can't imagine. I can feel my soul. I can feel my heart. Who will have me? I can feel my soul. I can feel my heart. Who will have me? I can't feel my soul anymore.
The answers you seek, I will tell you. Many, many years ago, your kingdom was in desolation. And a covenant was made to redeem your kingdom.
What covenant?
A particular lineage was selected to always be used to redeem the covenant made to the gods of the realm every 100 years. The last sacrifice was made 100 years ago, and this is the time for the next. That is why the gods of the realm have sent me to come find the chosen and bring him or her for the renewal of the covenants.
So, which lineage is to be used? And who is the chosen one? What? I am the chosen one? No, you lie! No, I can't do it. That can't be. I will not do it.
If you don't, this will break the sacred and ancient covenants made to the God of the realm. And the consequences is what no one can withstand.
What consequences?
Refusal to do it will bring doom. And this doom will begin in your home. Everyone you loved or ever loved will die. Children, adults, animals, even crops will all die until your kingdom is wiped out of the surface of the earth. It has happened before. You can equally ask your father.
Who will help me? Who will help me? My tears is all I see. My heart, I can't imagine. I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will have me? I can feel my heart. I can feel my soul. Who will help me? Who will have my soul? Who will have my soul? Somebody help my soul. I can't feel my heart anymore. My tears is all I see. My heart, I can't imagine. I can't feel my heart. I can't feel my soul. Who will have me? I can't feel my heart. I can't feel my soul. Who will have me? Who will help me? Who will help my soul? I can't feel my heart any longer.
Nem, why are you seated here and lost in thoughts?
Nam, I'm fine.
Fine? You are fine. You are sitting here crying. You have not even eaten your food.
Nam, do you know?
Know what?
About everything. About the ancient sacred covenant of the rain. Gods of our land, why have you allowed this burden to come upon me? Why me? Why? You should have demanded for the sacrifice of more animals. And I will give everything to you. Why did you do this to me? Why? Why me? Why me?
Cry no more. Go and prepare your way, for the days are counting. I know this is hard, but it is necessary.
My daughter, I got to know about this from my father after giving birth to you. That was why I and your mother decided to have only you so that we can break that covenant.
No. How do we break the covenant?
You know, you are the last in my lineage. After you have renewed the covenant, there will be no one else to renew it. As such, the covenant will be broken and our kingdom will be free.
No. I don't understand. What are you trying to say? Are you saying I'm going to give my life for this covenant to be broken?
My daughter, this was your mother's last wish.
How can my mother wish? No.
You see, I've carried this pain for years. So, calm down. Let's sacrifice that. All of us have to be done. It has to be done.
No.
Please.
How can I be the one to sacrifice?
So, hold on. Please. It's all right.
My queen.
Yes. Sit down. Sit. Obi, you must listen to everything I'm about to tell you. I called you out here because I want to tell you something very important. My love. I love you. I love you so much.
And I love you too. But is that why you're crying? Why are you crying?
Promise me. Promise me you'll be happy. I want you to be happy.
Ojugu, you're my happiness. Yes, I promise to be happy. But you're scaring me. What is going on?
Okay. I want you to have beautiful children. I want you to be a good father and a man that is well respected in this community. Okay. Oh, baby, you're all I ever dreamt of. I thank the gods. I thank the gods for the little life I shared with you. I love you.
Ojugo, you're scaring me. What is going on?
I love you. Oloma, I've come to see you for something very important. I'm aware you love Ejike and you want him. Yes. And I know you are a very good woman. I want you to take good care of Ejike for me. Yes. Ejike loves Akide. You must prepare it very well for him. And make sure you give him enough water. Please. Take good care of Ejike. That is all I ask for. Promise me you will do that.
Okay. I promise I'll take care of Etigwe.
Thank you.
But what are you doing? What suddenly changed?
Fate.
Fate?
Fate changed. Please, take care of Ejike for me. And thank you very much for your time. I have to go now.
Fate changed.
to wound me. Single life. Single life. Ouch. Single life wants to wound me. Oh. Single life. Single life. I need children. Oh. I need a wife. Oh. Gods of our land, are you happy with my singleness? Gods of our land, give me a wife.
Greetings.
Greetings. Wait. Ow! Oh, gods of our land. How can you be answering prayers anyhow? The most beautiful maiden of our land. The most beautiful maiden of our great kingdom. See, I know it is hard and difficult. I know all you are passing through. But you have to calm down. All the sacrifices you want to make for this great kingdom, I know about it. But can I help? No. But it's fine. You have to calm down. But I promise you, I'm promising you with all my loins. I'm promising you with all the veins in my brain that I am going to spread your rumor of goodness down to the villages around. All the neighboring villages are going to hear of your goodness, even down to my children and my children's children. All of them will hear about you. I am going to carry Etigwe. I've been knocking, go. She's a good woman. Oh, she made a very big sacrifice for this community. That is what I'm going to do. So you have to calm down. I know. You're not going to last. Yes, that any moment from now you are going to evaporate. But in as much as it's going to be like that, in as much as it's paining me that a good woman that I'm supposed to marry is going to evaporate out of this world, I am still happy. I'm crying. But it's fine. God of our land, have mercy upon me. In as much as he's going to die, I am going to endure. But please, can you just turn me into becoming a spirit? So that when she dies, my spirit will jump to yours and marry you. When the thing is going to happen, I will marry her. I don't care anymore.
You've made the right decision, and you'll be remembered forever. It is time. Let's go.
No. No, please. No, I love you. Don't educate, I love you. Tell him to get another woman, no children. I love you.
You must go now.
Nam, is everything okay? Why are you crying? Where's Ojugo? Ojugo!
Ojugo have gone to her maternal home. There, she will live on.
What? How? Why?
And she told me to tell you, you should look for another woman who will bear you children.
Nam, this was the same thing she told me. What is going on? I don't understand. Is she dead? Nam, talk to me. What is it? What is really going on? Is she dead? Please talk to me, Nam.
My son, calm down. Calm down.
you.